Okay, that's us, you guys. We're set. We've got the chesty on, and we're out.
So today, you guys, we're gonna take a little bit of a different tour because we're in Sagrera. Over here, we have a really cool bridge, and in the evening, this whole bridge is like really lit up. So it's really cool for taking pictures. Hey man, ¿quieres English, Spanish, español?
Sí.
¿Quieres probar una foto aquí? ¿Quieres probar una foto aquí?
Una foto, vale.
Pero creo que sería súper
Sí,
con el puente en rollerblades.
sí, con el puente, pero como bajando o como... Mira, ¿quieres tomar?
Súper. Creo que sí, aquí mejor. Una más aquí solo y aguanta. Sí. Con... Stay there, perfect. Y una más puedes aquí, en la nada. Solo para... Ok, me mires. Yes. Si quieres te las puedo mandar también.
¿Tu nombre?
Brad.
Break.
Brad.
Vale.
Super.
Super.
Adiós, chico. Let's try and get this car. These orange trees are not actually oranges, like you can't eat them. They taste disgusting, and I think they make them like that so you can't eat them. So unfair. Guys, si quieres voy a probar unas fotos chulas. ¿Sí? Sí, es para YouTube, soy lo mejor. Sí.
Vamos, remontada. Muy buena, Tony.
Damn. Ok, vamos.
Venga, que voy. Vamos, venga.
Hola, perdón. Estoy grabando un vídeo sacando fotos de gente desconocida y me gusta tu estilo.
Vale,
Si quieres una foto, es
Vale.
para mi canal de YouTube.
vale.
Yeah? Super.
What should I do?
We can
is
go
it
over here.
recording?
Yeah, I'm
Oh,
recording
hi.
too. Yeah. But I feel like you're the first person really around here that's sticking out to me.
Oh, thank
Because
you.
you're like hair and everything, you
Uh-huh.
look really cool. Maybe we can try one over here, like leaning against the pole or something. Where are you from? The States.
Korea, South Korea.
Ah, damn, you have
But-
really good English.
Yeah, because I went to an international school here. Wait, should I take the mask off? Or...
Yeah. Off is gonna be better. Yeah.
I don't know what to do.
Okay, so if you wanna, I think maybe put the mask in the pocket
Okay.
and yeah, this is a pretty cool spot.
What should I do with this?
Unless you want to leave it like on one of the seats, and then we can like maybe pose over here if you want. Or I can like hold your bag and stuff. Actually, I saw what you're doing with your hair. Can we do that one again? Like if you kind of hold your hands back, kind of like you're doing this, yeah, like this, and then just looking like pretty serious, you know, like
Okay.
yeah. Cool. Yeah, exactly like this. Nice. Yeah, perfect. Okay, stay like that. Yes, perfect. Stay there. Yes, man, these are awesome. Okay, stay like this. And now looking at me? Yeah. Okay, and let's try one more. Do you want to try one kind of like leaning against the pole a little bit? Yeah. Okay, and let's try one more again. Let's see where we have the best. Oh, maybe on this side? Yeah. So if you want to try one more and face on again, let's try face on. Yeah. Okay, yeah, awesome. That's a really good look. Stay like that. Nice. Okay, perfect. Boom. This is gonna be one of the thumbnails. Stay like that. Let me just try, you know.
Wow, I'm actually really insecure about.
You're what? Insecure?
about
Really?
Yeah.
Damn, you look like a model to me.
The photos are really nice though.
Man, they look so cool. I can send them to you if you want.
Okay, yeah.
After. So,
How
who's your Brad?
Who's your Brad?
Yep.
Who's subscribed?
Yeah, cool. You guys, I have literally been fighting with the weather for the last 3 days. It's been super cloudy when it says it's gonna be sunny. But you know what? I need to get something out for you guys, so we're just gonna have to take advantage of a cloudy day, which is not very normal here. I'm gonna bring you guys back here when we have some sun, definitely. Hey, hola. Estoy grabando un video. Sacando. English?
Yeah.
Cool, perfect.
Okay, cool.
Even better, no subtitles then.
Okay, yeah.
So I'm like recording a video taking photos of strangers.
Okay.
And would you like a picture? And I can send it to you later if you like.
Okay.
See,
What is
just
it
like a
for?
portrait, YouTube.
Oh, okay.
YouTube.
Mask?
I think without the mask is gonna be better. And okay, so
Okay.
nerve-wracking?
Yeah.
Damn, have you had a portrait shoot before?
No, not for YouTube, like this kind of thing.
Okay, cool. I'm thinking, let's try. You could even sit over here if it's gonna be okay, and then we can try some like standing. And then you want to give me kind of like, yeah, a serious look like this. Yeah, just really like. I see you there. I see you. You know, yeah. Okay, dope. Now one looking out this direction. Perfect. Stay like that. Okay, let's actually do it near the wall so we get away from these like ugly blinds. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Just over here is good. Can you give me, yes, can you give me a look kind of like, you can fold one hand like this and then maybe the other one coming up like this, or, yeah, just like really chill. Yeah. Yeah, perfect. Just stay like that. Yeah. And just really like serious, you know, just thinking. Look at me first, then we'll try another one, yeah? But like whatever your look you're giving me right now, this is the one. See? Yeah, stay like that. Boom, one more. Man, these are awesome. Show me. Where's the sun? And now let's do, actually, yeah, do another one now looking in this direction. Out there? Yep. Yeah, stay like that. And I'm gonna get one more like straight on, yeah. You're like, oh gosh, no, you're fine. Maybe with your hands, can you do, yeah, maybe one on the hip, kind of? One on the hip, or like, yeah. And just chill back a little bit, kind of relax. Let's try to come a little bit more towards me. It's like turning into a full-on shoot. Yeah, come a little bit more, this way. Yeah, stay like that, perfect. And now just one more, just holding the jacket like this. Hair is looking good, yep. Man, you're gonna freak, these look really good.
Really? Oh my goodness.
Check these out, these are dope.
Sorry, mother, I'm not taking it.
Hey,
Ooh, I like that. Thank you.
that's a cool one.
Yeah,
So, what I'll do,
Who's your Brad?
yeah,
Is your name Brad?
my name's Brad, yeah. Surprise.
Angelica.
Oh yeah, cool.
Ooh.
Hey guys, pardon? English, perfect. So I'm doing like a video for my YouTube channel. I do like photos of strangers and stuff. So if you guys would like a portrait. Okay. Nice. Boom. Where are you guys from? Ukraine. Говоришь по-русски? Ты из Украины тоже? Откуда?
Я вообще Запорожье, это не столица.
Не знаю.
Не знаю.
Окей, мейн, готов. Окей, круто. И давай попробуем Okay, nice. Okay, круто. Дела.
Ну, это интересно.
Карантин.
Да.
Мгм.
Если не знаю, если ты там что-то там интересные какие-то у тебя проекты, можешь вот в этот.
So these guys are really taking a picture. I'm gonna ask. Hola, chicos. Mira, estoy grabando un vídeo sacando fotos de gente desconocida para mi canal de YouTube. Y lo vi que estáis sacando unas fotos. Si quieres, te puedo sacar una y te puedo mandar si quieres. Entonces, ¿por qué es el libro? Es tu...
Es mi último libro publicado.
Súper. Vale, entonces tenemos una historia. Un poquito, muy bien. ¿Cómo lo quieres? ¿Natural? Leyendo el libro y...
Sí, como tú me digas.
Vale. Muy bien, guay. Entonces, sí, ¿lees el libro? Sí. Yes, amazing. This is really cool, guys, because she was saying this is her last book. ¿Es tu último libro? Me has dicho. Sí. ¿Y de qué es? La voz te ama.
Yo soy psicóloga
Ajá.
y son libros de temas de relaciones, de pareja.
Super.
Y este es de poesía.
Okay. Yes, let's do another one. ¿Y solo la quieres con la mascarilla o una sin también?
Sí, si me la puedo sacar también.
Sí, 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 mejor para ti si quieres. Okay, burn. Okay, me mires. Nice, and one more down here. Es súper nublado, pero está
Sí,
bien.
pero quedan bien así. Genial.
Burn. Entonces,
Muy bien.
vale, perfecto.
Vale.
Y mucha suerte con el libro y tal.
Gracias.
Muchísimas
muchas
gracias.
Vale, chicos, adiós.
Cazadora.
A ver, ¿quieres una foto? Y si las puedo mandar luego.
Vale.
Súper, ¿dónde vas por ahí?
Sí, voy con un poquito de prisa, pero...
Ajá,
pero sí, voy por esta
súper, sí, cruzamos y encontramos un lugar chulo para sacar. Normalmente es súper bonito con el sol.
parte. Sí, bueno,
Pero
estos
¿dónde
días
va?
que va...
Sí, pero todavía está bien. Vale. Ok, so... Ok, estos me gustan. Ok, guapa, una más. Ok, perfecto. Mira, si quieres, mientras que estamos caminando, podemos probar unos más, pero aquí me gusta también. ¿Dónde eres aquí, Barcelona?
No, de Argentina.
Ah, Argentina. Guay. Damn, ¿no tienes el acento argentino?
No tengo mucho.
No. Ok, you know what? Let's try it. Vamos a probar aquí. Creo que es chulo. So, yes, mejor. Eso es más. ¿Y sin la mascarilla? Ah, oh yeah, I know. Es como normal now. ¿Ahora? No. Okay, yes, perfect. Let's do one more. Okay, awesome. Voy a probar aquí. Yes, can you do this? ¿Puedes hacer esto? Just, yes, like that. Esperamos. Okay. Así y no me miras. ¿Miras ahí? Sí. Burn, these are the ones. Mira.
Sí, está chulo.
Those are nice.
Yeah.
Gone, yeah.
The background and everything.
The background was super
Yeah.
nice. Okay, man, so you speak English, yeah?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Thank you, man.
Okay, nice one,
Have a
man.
very nice day.
You too.
Good luck.
Gracias.